friends, I am Luke from Robofunlab, Porbandar. Today, my project name is stamping machine. So, let me tell you the story of Raj and Riya. Today is Riya's turn to help grandpa and Raj's turn to help grandma. So, Raj is stamping letters for his grandma and he got tired of stamping letters. So, I have made him a wind-powered stamping machine and this is my own model design. I have used gear mechanism and I have used cam. When the wind will hit the flaps, then the cam will start rotating and with the help of the cam, the stamping machine will work. Let's see how it works. Thank you.